Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the second question in exercise 7.4. The first subdivision is integral of x into x squared plus 3 the whole power 3 by 2 dx. Now let's put the x squared plus 3 as t. So this will make 2x dx as dt. We already have a x dx here, so let's find its value. So x dx is equal to dt by 2. Now if you substitute here, this is t, so this becomes t power 3 by 2. X dx is dt by 2. So we can take the 1 by 2 outside. So it is integral of t power 3 by 2 dt. So directly apply the integration formula. So this is 1 by 2 t to the power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 plus c. So if you reorganize, the 2 goes to the numerator, we can strike this out. So this is 1 by 5 t power 5 by 2 plus c. Now we can put back the value of t. So this is 1 by 5 of x square plus 3 to the power 5 by 2 plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision in this question. So here it is integral of 4x plus 1 divided by root of 2x squared plus x minus 7 dx. So we are going to put the entire expression in the denominator as t. So 2x squared plus x minus 7 is equal to t. So 4x plus 1 into dx is equal to dt. So now this integration will get reduced to, see, the whole numerator 4x plus 1 into dx is there. So I'm replacing that with dt. The denominator is root t. So you rearrange this as t power minus half dt. Now we can perform the integration. So this is t power half by half plus c, or 2 root t plus c. Now put back the value of t. So this is 2 into root of 2x squared plus x minus 7 plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution for the third question in this exercise. See you in the next video.